Welcome everybody to another edition of Sushi Wars. I'm here with my buddy Jack, and today we're going to visit Fuelin's Asian Buffet. Jack says the sushi is good, so we're going to give it a shout. Come on inside with us.
Okay, so here's the specialty sushi rolls. They're a little bit pricier than your regular menu. These are specialty rolls. I heard the big boy roll is really good. Here's some more specialty sushi rolls. Just stop the videos anywhere you want to see one of the items. Then we're gonna take a look. This is their main menu. See, there's their logo. Fuelin's Asian Cuisine. So let's check out the menu. Here's their daily specials. Oh, they do ribeye here too. Cool. And then you can do appetizers. We did go with the jalapeno crab. Yeah, the poppers. Okay, the menus are a little beat up, so it's hard to get around these menus, but let's take a look here. This seems to be a little bit pricier than the other place, but they have another wonderful wide variety. Great stuff. If it's like a first date, this is kind of the place you want to go. Mm-hmm. You know? Here's Fuelin's 2-dish combos. Right there. Okay, nice and close.
Put this down.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you much. I'm gonna make you some water too.
Oh, what was that? A seafood combo? Look at that. Seafood combo. Okay. Checking out the Chinese lunch. Oh, that's a little bit better. That's very cool. $8. We continue with this long menu. Look at this. They have sashimi too. That's what we're getting today. To try out the fish here. See how beautiful it is. All right, so looking at Japanese dinners. I think we're on the 3rd page now. Looks beautiful. Last page is just beverages. You can see some of the cocktails they provide. You can see how to order online. They have pickup and delivery. I love that. More and more places are delivering.
Well, the current reigning champion is Arigato Sayonara Japanese restaurant. But now we're at Fuelin's, and one thing I did notice, and I didn't mention before, these cups are about half the size of the ones at Arigato, which is very unusual for Japanese. Most cups, and even the miso cup, are very small, but very plentiful at Arigato.
This is a crab-filled jalapeno with spicy mayo. They warned us. They even brought us ice water. They said the mayo is a little spicy, so I'm going to go for it. Look at you. What are you laughing?
See.
All right, here we go.
Let's get
There we go. Got a nice little glop on there. Are you ready?
I'm looking for smoke to come out of your ears.
They're hot, steaming hot. Hold on, here it comes. Okay. That's some good stuff.
A jalapeno popper.
Uh-oh.
At a sushi place of all places.
Is he nervous? Oh, yeah.
I am a little bit.
A little bit of heat in that mayo.
Just a little bit of heat. Here we go.
It's not too bad, but the warm hits you like after a few seconds.
Oh, it's not bad at all.
No.
You must have got a really hot one.
I did.
Mine is real light. Or maybe I'm more of a man than you. What do you think?
Hold on a minute. Sorry.
Delicious. Absolutely no aftertaste, so I probably hit a dud. Because I know.
No, you're fine. You just eat spicy food. I know that.
I do quite a bit.
Okay, we didn't order sushi. We ordered sashimi, which gives us a pure taste of the seafood.
Look at what they got.
Oh my goodness. Those pieces are gorgeous.
Oh, this is delicious.
This is what we're having.
I believe that's white tuna.
Is that white tuna?
Yep, they have white tuna.
No.
Oh, wow.
Okay, it's beautiful. You got salmon in the middle. Look at that.
Ooh,
Snapper. Huge pieces.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Don't be hogging everything.
That
is amazing. Look how moist that salmon looks. It's gonna be fun. All right, you go first. Pick one. You can do that white tuna.
Yes.
Or you do salmon. What are you doing first?
I'm gonna try the white tuna.
Okay.
Now, what do you want me to dip this in now? A little bit of this mustard?
Whatever you want. You can have it pure. It don't matter.
A little bit of mustard.
You're using hot mustard? You're crazy.
Yeah, it's not that hot. Very different. And that's hot. That's going through me now.
You can taste it. I think that it wasn't hot.
No, when you take enough of it like I did, it does. It clears your sinuses.
Does this mean I'm a bigger man than you now? Because I thought it was good mustard.
Oh, very, very tasty. Very
All right.
tasty.
And that's white. What did you say that was?
I'm thinking it's white tuna. You know, we'll ask him when he comes back.
It's gorgeous, whatever it is.
Oh yeah, delicious.
Beautiful. Large piece. You ready? Now this is tuna, right? The red one?
Yes.
That's tuna? Look at that. Look at that piece. Can you taste it? Can you taste it?
Oh my goodness. Your heaven?
Mm-hmm. Oh man. It's so clean. Really good. We tasted the fish off the table and we're blown away. It was absolutely amazing. So first I saw the price, I'm like, wow. Then I tasted the fish, I'm like, wow. I get why you're getting more than you're paying for here.
We just finished at Fuelin's Asian Cuisine. And I gotta tell you, it took a different twist here, it took a different turn. We come in here, think we had sushi on our mind, and I saw that they offered sashimi. And as you've seen in the video,
Stop laughing.
that was, I never expected that in Hendersonville, Tennessee, to have sashimi of that quality. From red tuna, white tuna, I believe it was amberjack, we had octopus, we had salmon on there, and snapper. We almost made a mini ceviche with limited ingredients we had on the table. It was fabulous, fabulous. So I want to give a big star for this one, and it's still the other restaurant, Arigato. Arigato gets a big star too. This was outrageous, and we'll see you on the next one.